मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं, जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
एक तेरा नाम है साजा, हो एक तेरा नाम है साजा, मन मेरी आने पाचा, बस नाम तेरा माँ हो। एक पहचान मेरी तू ही, जिंद जान मेरी तू ही, जहान मेरा माँ।
मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ठंडे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सोना सोना है। मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। हो मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
Respected principal, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am before you to speak on one of the loveliest topic, that is my dream India. In the India of my dreams there will be peace and harmony. Every citizen will be literate. India will reach to great heights. It will be free from violence, hunger, terrorism, and suffering. There will be higher standards of cleanliness and hygiene will be maintained. I wish to make my country an ideal country in the world. I dream of making my country a richer, happier, and a healthier place to live in. There should be no poverty in my country. While we hear the word poverty, the child labor and the literacy rate strikes on all our minds. Of course, even mine too. The poverty makes the people poor and the poor people send their children go to work instead of school. This makes these children not to get educated. My Dream India will be progressed in.
Good morning to all. Today I am here to say a few words about My Dream India. On 15th August 1947, we got freedom. We were free from the rule of British. As we all know that Mahatma Gandhi, the great leader, and other freedom fighters gave everything they had in order to free India from the rule of British. Some of them even gave their lives. After all these historic and unforgettable incidents, do you say that India is free? I say no. No, India is not free. India is not free from inequality and discrimination. Mahatma Gandhi dreamt about elimination of inequality from India of his dreams. Similarly, India of my dream would be a place where women would be safe and can walk freely.
Good morning to my friends, teachers and my dear fellow mates. Today I am going to present a speech about my dream India. India is developing and I would like it to progress and grow. I would like it to become my dream India in near future. My dream India should be free from poverty. I feel very sad when I see hungry children on the street begging for food. I want poverty to leave my country and each individual to get enough food to survive. My dream India should not contain any kind of crime or harm. Crime creates tension to the society and obstacles to the growth of any other country. I want to see my country in harmony and peace. My dream India should be a place where women are able to walk safely on street. Also, there will be a freedom of equality. The government has done a lot in the area of education with its too many initiatives, but not all realizes the importance of education. I want to see my
respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am before you to speak on my dreams of India. In my dreams of India, there will be a good roads limiting the remote places of the country, and there will be good network of railways all over the country. The excellent communication and transport facilities will develop our trade and commerce and put our economy in a sound footing. In my dreams of our country, the government will priority the agricultural lands and the farmers will be given all the encouragements to grow more crops, cash crops and make our country self-reliant in the production. So she would be able to transport the agricultural products to other countries and thus earn a lot of foreign coins. In my dreams, the India will pay more attention to her industries. Heavy and small industries will be set up all over the country and the cottage industries will be encouraging side by side. The industrial products will be given to other countries and thus will make our economy sound. The industrialization will create.
Good morning to all respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. I am Anushri from class 9th standing before you to deliver a speech on my dream India. My dream India would be technically and even economically developed. In my dream country there should be no poverty. Because of the poverty, people don't have the food to eat and this causes a serious health problems to them and they even have to face the death because of this. So I would like to say that in my dream India there should be no poverty. As we talk about child labor, poverty makes the people poor and the poor people let their children go to work instead of sending them to school. This makes the children uneducated. The India of my dream would be a country where women are free and women are safe and walk freely on road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom of equality to all and everyone can enjoy it in their.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak my dream of a beautiful India. India of my dreams is the country full of peace, harmony, compassion, and happiness. It will be a country where all the countrymen are educated and responsible enough for country development. In the India of my dreams, I shall see many traditional artists of classical dancing, singing, and many other ancient arts forms being appreciated everywhere. I want people of my country to appreciate our culture and preserve it for many generations to come. I want my motherland to be significantly advanced and technologically better. It will also be a country where agriculture is given special attention and every farmer is given economic help. If he faces loss due to natural calamities, it will be a country where everyone takes the responsibility of keeping the population in control. It will be a
सबको मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम शरण्या, मैं 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं आज आपको स्वतंत्रता का दिवस का प्रयुक्त मेरे सपनों के भारत के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। मेरे भारत सुंदर रहना चाहिए, जहाँ अच्छे मन के लोग रहना चाहिए और पेड़ पौधे का, नदी सागरों का और पशु पक्षियों का संरक्षक होना चाहिए और और मेरे देश के लोग दरिद्रता और कभी भूखे पेट नहीं रहना चाहिए। मेरे देश के लोग भारत के सभी हर एक नारी को माँ के समान देखना चाहिए।
A very good morning to all. I am Ashwin of class 9. I am here to speak about my dream India. The India of my dream would be a country where women walk safe and freely in road. Also, it will be a place where there is freedom of equality to all, and everyone can enjoy it in their true sense. Furthermore, it would be a place where there is no discrimination of caste, color, gender, creed, social or economic status, and race. In addition, I see it as a place that sees an abundance of development and growth education through. There are many initiatives by the government to promote education, but there are many people who almost realize its true importance, and India of my dream will be a place will be mandatory for all. The India of my dream will be an ideal country where every
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, as we celebrate 74th Independence Day. Today on 15th August, India is celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day is an important day for India. We got freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947 on midnight, handing over its rule into the hands of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He hosted the national flag of India. The dreams of Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose and others gave us freedom. Even then, this day is celebrated with great glory. Thank you, Vijay.
ಸಾಧನೆ ತೋರಿದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ನಾಡಿನ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ ನಿಮಗಿದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕನ್ನಂಬಾಡಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಂಡಿಮ ಬಾರಿಸಿದ ಕವಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗಿದೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ದೇಶವ ಕಾಯುವ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎದೆಯಾಳದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ಸಲಹಿರುವ ನೇಗಿಲ ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ 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 ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಕಣ್ಣನು ನೀಡುವ ಅಣ್ಣನಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ, ದೇಶವ ಆಳಿದ ನಾಯಕರೇ ನಿಮಗಿದ ಗೌರವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ನಾದದ ಸದೆ